Hi, my name is Ferdinand Petrus. So today I would like to explain about the project 2, which is for subject GFC 40163 System Analysis and Design. So this is my group member, which is Siti Mazura, Jack Martin, and Ryan Tua. So I would like to explain about the project 2, which is for chapter 4, which is system design. For number 1 is sketch your proposed user interface design, then produce your system storyboard, at least 5 pages interface. All program features appear to be complete. So the first one is I screenshot the the front of the before we sign in the interface, which is this interface has icons, text field, and buttons. So the second interface is for fill the forms to book the correctly to book a online taxi booking. So this is the text file, radio button, and then this is the checkbox to make us which taxi fare price that we need. So the same, this is a checkbox and this is a button to book a ticket taxi. So this is the title of the form, and this is the date and time pickers to booking the taxi, when and what time, and this is the buttons. So number 2 is implement input must and validation rules into your system. So this is the login system, which is you must put your username or email and password. So for validation check is username and password might be correctly and password must be matched to login account. Validation data types is username. For the first one is username. Your username must be in alphabet and numeric, and your error message will be username does not contain the characters that are not being allowed, and your location is username. The second one is password. Your password must contain capital letter with its capital A, Z, and capital small a and Z, and symbols, and also numeric. And your error message is the password will be incorrect. If you type the error, if you not match with your username and or passwords, you will get an error message. And for your location is password.
Madam, I will explain for question number 3 is about produce a summary report based on your system. So it brings 5 marks. Summary report. In our daily life, we have to book ticket for taxi, movies, flight, and cricket match or football match. And when we do this task manually, then it becomes very hard to manage the ticket booking. So we are developing the system to manage booking of ticket automatically. In this taxi booking project, we develop the system that can help the user to book their ticket online. In this project, we take care of every service related to traveling and online booking ticket. When you start your traveling tour, you have to booking, so we help you from the starting point to the end. We help you in booking your traveling ticket. For the scope one it comes with 2 points here. The scope booking ticket is widespread with application in different kinds of businesses, large and small, that have an IT support team or a customer support team that works on IT issue and service requests. For the second one, help the customer to inquire the availability of seats in a particular taxi at particular date and help to reserve a ticket, and we can cancel a reserved ticket. A milestone here phase, coding, design and mockup. Preparation phase, description, coordinate the client for the design and develop a mockup. Status completed. And for phase second one is development and developing phase. Description, begin the coding and onboard the client to the system once completed. For the course one, yes, it comes with 5 details or 5 course here. For the first one is software license programming language, and it costs 300 ringgit. For the second, web server, it costs 500 ringgit. UML or Unified Modeling Language comes with 400 ringgit. PHP and MySQL, it costs 300 ringgit. And for the last one, Navigate Data Modeler, it costs 883 and 34 cents ringgit. For the rich, so inexperienced kind of staff, efficient budget. For the last one, action plan, teaching them on how to use the system. And the last one, discuss with team member and change the plan. For number 4, describe about input and output control and security that we implemented on your system, and it comes with 5 marks. So for the first one is input control. Input control is about control that prevent invalid or erroneous data from entering the system, and output control, control that ensure that output arrive at the proper destination and it's accurate, current and complete. Data have to more info and also register. So for data more info, for the input control, it keep going to the taxi selection info and list. For output control, select any choose taxi, then click booking now. For register, completed the register booking online, and output control completed all form. That's all. Thank you.
File system implementation and support. Question 1 is explain how you implement unit testing, integration testing, and system testing for your system. Unit testing. Identify and implement error of the online taxi ticket booking system for abnormal termination and logical error after during dash check. Integration testing. Consider information system by checking, verifying, and updating customer data such as travel history, payment method, and current location. System testing. All user, developer, and manager can include testing the system with the necessary features, such as being able to book a taxi online. Question 2 is explain your system installation and evaluation. Provide system for user, manager, and IT staff. Provide appropriate training to the right people to identify training objective, topic, and ways to determine how the company provides training. Post-implementation evaluation. Evaluate the overall effectiveness of the system by meeting the needs of users and producing the expected benefits. Final report to manager. The final report will be submitted to the management as a sign of the completion of the construction of system. Question 3. Identify user support that you offer. User training to show user how the system can help them for booking taxi ticket easily. Help desk making user more productive in their own way of meeting their objective.
Okay, so here I will continue with question number 4. Identify all type of maintenance that will perform on your system. Give one example of situation for each type. Corrective maintenance. Identify and solve error in system. Example, restore information proper. Second, adaptive maintenance. The purpose of an online booking system is to allow potential customer to self-book and pay through your website. Securely store customer data, manage your staff, and keep your business running long after you are gone home for the day. Okay. Next, perfective maintenance. This project intends to introduce more user-friendly lines in the various activities such as record update, maintenance, and searching of books. The searching of system record has been made quite simple as all the ticket booking details of the customer and can be obtained by simply keying in the project identification of the taxi ticket online booking. Okay. Next, I will continue with question number 5. Explain the system security and backup that you suggest for this system. System security. Network security. Identify and solve error in system. Example, restore information proper. For security, it will protect user data by preventing threats. Authentication security involve charging of operational system. Example, optimize the type of slot, how many you want. Okay, backup. Auto backup will be performed at all time while the data has been submitted. If the system crash, then all the data will not be deleted. So staff should take care of data security by storing it every day after office hours. All historical data will also be recorded so that all data can be traced in case any data problems occur.